one after another, we are getting these new items. It is the only order of the year, and it has 4 easy payments of $12.99. Those 4 easy payments go away at the end of our show. Do not wait on these. You are going to love this top.
I know.
It is like that great playful sophistication all in one. Length on this is 26.5 inches to 32.5. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. This is the French blue, where you are getting all of the details. You are getting 2 ladies watching fireworks with that dangle. I mean, this is a no-brainer for 4th of July. Then we have our grass green, which is this gorgeous like lime green color, but you have a floral garden. This looks like Serenity to me.
Absolutely.
This is a Nancy Meyers film in a top.
A little tea, a good book, and some beautiful flowers.
Then, last but not least, we have our sand, which is that perfect day at the beach, watching the waves, the sun. I just love all the details on these. And then you've got that perfect shell in the dangle.
Sorry, I'm not trying
Extra, extra small through 5X. $51.98 is that sale price, and the 4 easy payments of $13 goes away at the end of the day. All right. Tell me a little bit about this.
This is about friendship. This is about serenity. This is about taking care of yourself. These are reminiscent of designs we've done in the past as well. So I love how they're appropriate, us bringing them in on National Quacker Day, because they're a nod to the past.
Yeah.
But brought forward in a fresh way. So 3/4 length sleeves, which we know you love, round neckline, not too low, not too wide. Really the detail is, you know, John Schrader, our artist, hand sketches each design, chooses which color goes where, chooses what stone or stud goes where. And this could be me and my sisters on the beach growing up when I was little, because we loved Barnegat Light, New Jersey, right? We never had a beach umbrella though. I do have to say that.
Well, you know, sometimes they're dangerous. Sometimes
when the wind comes.
Many times I've been chasing down a beach umbrella.
Yes.
This one will stay put exactly where you want it on that shirt. But I love that this is the perfect top that, again, combines what you do so well.
Yeah.
Because it gives you the joy. It gives you memories.
Yes.
In a top. It also would make an incredible gift if it was for your sister.
Yeah.
Or that girl's trip, or, you know, a wedding. Now this one, this is what I dream of just being able to sit outside with a book, unbothered.
Me too. And the only time I read really is when we go on vacation.
Yeah.
Like I bring a book, and because Glenn hates it that I'm on my phone so much. He really does. He doesn't need his phone for work. Like I use my phone for social media for work, because that's what we do, right? And he's like, why did you leave your phone at home? Like, I can't leave my phone at home, babes, because it has our travel documents on it, it has our tickets on it, it has all this stuff, and I use it to take pictures, but I do put it in airplane mode.
Okay.
So that, you know, I'm not bothered,
Reasonable.
Right, so I bring a book and I read, and but usually I can't read because he wants to talk, he wants to have a conversation, which is nice. I'm so glad my husband wants to talk to me, right? But, you know, I'm like, can I read a chapter and then we'll talk? Just like give me a little bit, you know, the things that you negotiate.
Exactly.
Right? But then, of course, you know, you're showing the sand. I had the green, that blue. I love how our team chose to do the Americana scene on that French blue, because I think it makes the colors pop.
Yeah.
Once again, going back, I'm sorry, my throat was getting very dry, so I did pop in a lozenge. But so if I'm smacking too much, I can remove it. So. Jean Bice loved our country, loved all things Americana. Her home was decorated in Americana from May through September.
I love it.
To celebrate all of the Americana holidays, right? And so this is so fun because it's a little bit of a nod to her. And then again, it reminds me of my sisters when we were growing up and we would go get in the car, go somewhere and watch the fireworks.
Right.
And so this is just so fun, and I love the T-shirts. I love the flags, the plumes of the fireworks. I don't love fireworks now because
too loud. The animals.
My animal.
Yeah,
my
they
dog.
go haywire.
He does not.
I know,
like
but
it.
this is like the perfect way to bring fireworks into the celebration without upsetting any of the pets.
Yes.
And you're also going to feel so comfortable in it. I mean, the feel of this, it's like you want to live in this fabric.
Yes.
It's 60% cotton, 40 polyester. You've got that great, I love that most of these tops sit at that perfect length, but have that little vent there for a little movement,
Yeah.
for a little, and then you have.
That costs money. Every
Yes.
detail costs money.
It truly is. It's so well
Every
done.
detail.
And then you are getting that solid back to it. Super flattering. It's just streamlined, but you're getting that pop of detail in the front that if you do wear that denim jacket for maybe a little colder spring or summer evening, you're still getting that great design
Yeah.
on the top. You decide which one you want because they are all so different. If you want to pick up whether it is our French blue with the 4th of July motif, the sand with that lovely beach motif, or our grass green, which is that serenity, reading your book, having a little tea in the garden. If you want to pick up all three, 4 easy payments of $38.97 because they are, can you believe?
I know.
Math?
Exactly. Well, and
In a
here's-
time like this,
And here's
math.
the thing too. Yes, they're all the same item number, but because they are so completely different, as you are saying, I'm just saying it in a different way, you could get all three and nobody would know that it's the same item number.
No, they would have no idea.
Right.
But you were getting such a versatile top that is going to be great for all these different occasions. It's the only order this year. The 4 easy payments of $13 go away at the end of the day. So do not wait on this. This is in combination with our big deal.
Yes.
Now this is coming up next, but you can see you've got that top with that scallop design at the bottom. You're getting a little sparkle kind of everywhere you look on this.
Yes.
People are loving our French blue with that 4th of July
Get it now.
Americana motif.
Yes.
You are getting such great details on here. Do not miss out. If you want to pick up one for yourself,
Did you
one
have
for a
this-
sister or a friend, I
Did
did.
you did it with the sand?
I didn't do it with the
Oh,
exact
okay.
sand. No,
Okay.
that's a perfect. Oh,
I
matches
just wanted
back
to show that. Yep.
beautifully. That's basically that great set look.
Yep.
But with the Quacker Factory flair.
That's it.
You decide whether you want the French blue, our sand option with the beach motif, and or our grass green. You are getting a little dangle with all of these, $51.98, and those 4 easy payments of $13 go away at the end of the day. Now, we have a little video
I love
that
it.
we're gonna check out, and I'm gonna have you throw that up right now so we can get a little flair of Quacker Factory.